9:40 a.m., March 3rd, 1991. After a short 17-minute trip from Denver, United Airlines Flight 585 is on final approach into Colorado Springs. It looks like a perfect day for flying, but there's trouble in the air. There's been heavy turbulence during the flight, and violent gusts of wind are forecast over Colorado Springs. At the controls is 52-year-old Captain Harold Green, a pilot with 20 years experience and a sterling reputation. His co-pilot is Patricia Eidson. At 42, she's one of the first female flight officers in United's history. At Colorado Springs Municipal Airport, Air Traffic Controller James Rayfield is ready to bring Flight 585 in. As its speed decreases, Flight 585 becomes more vulnerable to turbulence. Green and Eidson focus on keeping their speed constant as they descend. As United 585 approaches the runway, from the control tower, James Rayfield can now see Flight 585's final approach. As the aircraft closes in on the airport, the ride gets even bumpier. Then, without warning, the 737 starts to spin out of control.